Daebak. 진짜 사랑해. If you want to know what did I learn actually from K-dramas, stay with me till the end of this video and learn with me. 여러분 안녕하세요. 제 유튜브 채널에 오신 거 환영합니다. Welcome to my channel Learning with Sandra. Today I will teach you a few words that I actually learned from Korean dramas. So, as maybe some of you know, I watched really a lot Korean dramas, or shorter how we called it, K-dramas. So, Korean dramas and K-dramas are actually the same thing. So, if you need any recommendations for awesome Korean dramas, feel free to ask me in the comments or send me messages on my Instagram, Facebook, or any other social media. If you watched a lot of Korean romance dramas, for example with Lee Min-ho, Lee Jung-suk, Ji-sung, Hyun-bin, and well, there are too many handsome Korean oppas, you probably hear the word oppa. Oppa! So, what oppa actually means? Oppa is used in Korean culture by a female to a male who is older than her by the boundary of 10 years, and females use this to address older brother, older male friend, or even her boyfriend. So you can call oppa your older brother, your older male friend, or your boyfriend. So second word that you will mostly probably learn also from the Korean dramas is Daebak. Daebak. And what means Daebak? For example, we have this situation. Oh my god, BTS performance was Daebak. So then again, next sentence. You have a new shoes, Daebak. Then Super Junior released a new album, Daebak. You can guess it what it means, right? So Daebak is actually the Korean expression to praise something that is great, that is big, and that is positive. So if you want to say that something is amazing, great, big, positive, you use word Daebak. And even if you can roughly translate it as amazing, those who knows Korean language well, they know you can translate actually the word Daebak because it has so much more meaning than just amazing. But if you want to say that something is great, big, positive, just say Daebak to Koreans, and Korean will definitely understand what do you mean. Okay, so next word is 진짜. So for example, we have this kind of situation. I passed an exam! 진짜? Congratulations! I will go to Korea next month. 진짜? 진짜. Like these situations, okay? So 진짜, as you can realize, means really, for real, or seriously, and you can use it in these kind of situations. If you say 진짜요, not 진짜, 진짜 is informal way to say seriously, for real, or really, and 진짜요, so you add 요. It means also the same, but you use it for the more formal and polite way. So when you are talking to older ones, to your maybe boss, and similar to that. Okay, so next word is 사랑해, 사랑해요. So for example, oppa, 사랑해요. If you watched only one K-drama, you probably know the meaning of this. So 사랑해요 means this, you know this? It is in Korea sign of the heart, see? And it actually means I love you. So if you say 사랑해, it is informal and used with the friends. And if you say 사랑해요, is more formal because you use actually this part 요, so it is used with someone who is older than you, for example with your grandma, grandpa, and similar like that. Then what means 네 and what means 아니요? Let's find out. So for example, we have this kind of situation. So maybe you can even relate if you have siblings. So for example, it goes like this. Did you eat my sandwich? 아니요. Who did it? Oppa? 네. Again? 네. Where is he? So, as you can assume from this dialogue, 아니요 means no, and 네 means yes. But be careful, because 네 actually means that you are agreeing with someone. So for example, if someone asks you, you didn't like a cake? In English, if you want to say that you didn't like it, you would say, no, I didn't. But in Korean, you will say, 네, that is right. So you will actually using word 네, which means yes. because ne actually means that is right, I agree, or also yes. So be careful when you are using word ne and what are you trying to say. Okay, I think this is all for today. If you want more videos like this, write me in the comments and I will make it, because I watched a lot of Korean dramas, Korean variety shows, and I'm listening a lot of Korean music, so I learned a lot of vocabulary. So thank you for liking, thank you for watching and subscribing and supporting my channel. If you still didn't like, subscribe and comment this video. And if you have any questions, any suggestions, feel free to tell me here or on any other social media. And I think that is all for today. I hope you enjoyed in this, and see you in the next Sunday. Annyeong!